Yeah, I know it's a little chilly, but I'll take some ice cream.
Well, things are starting to warm back up. In fact, this morning, very similar to where we were and ended the day yesterday. We still got some light rain out there, primarily some patchy drizzle and a couple isolated showers as well. It's going to be around from time to time through a good part of the morning hours. Again, today is not a washout, but a couple light showers, maybe some patchy drizzle right along 146 from Vienna to Simpson and Dixon Springs, then eastward, even now right along the Ohio River into Hardin County, Elizabethtown, Rosiclare, Caven Rock, and then southward as well, closer to the Big Bay area, and then even into parts of Massac County, picking up on some light rain here to start the day. Again, temperatures not too bad outside. Most of us waking up in the mid to upper 40s. Again, we do have some wet roads out there, whether you're seeing the rain or not right now. It's 45 in Poplar Bluff. Looks like Highway 60 is still pretty wet. 44 currently in Mount Vernon. 48 in Metropolis. We're at 46 at this hour into Carbondale. We do anticipate quite a bit of dry time by this afternoon, and south winds will start to pick up. Means for a warmer afternoon ahead for us. Looks like we'll see temperatures today in the 60s. And even warmer weather tomorrow. That's our next storm system, though, getting ready to move into our region. It arrives Thursday night with one round of heavy rain, and then Friday looking very wet. We're talking about some extremely heavy rain on the way later on this week. Flooding pretty likely in parts of the region. The warm front lifting northward, storm system, there goes all the heavier rain. And I say heavier rain, we did see quite a few showers around through yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening. Most of that is now tracking east of our region. We'll look out to the west coast. That is our next storm system this morning, moving on the west coast and the coast of California. That is the one that is eventually going to bring a cold front southward, stall it very close to us, and set the stage for a lot of heavy rain. About 60, 61 degrees at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Again, quite a bit of dry time, a lot of overcast skies though, so we're not going to see much in the way of sunshine today. As we get later into the evening hour, especially closer to sunset, likely going to see some patchy drizzle redeveloping overhead. That is that warm front slowly working its way through the region. Temperatures though tonight will continue to climb, so we'll be in the low 60s tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll actually wake up Thursday morning with temperatures into the mid 60s. A lot of dry time during the daylight hours on Thursday. Right now it looks like most of the rain will hold off in our region until Thursday night. Notice we're in the low 70s Thursday afternoon, but here comes that boundary working its way in from the north, and as it gets closer to us, kind of stalls over top of us late Thursday night, early Friday morning. Here comes the first wave of rain developing. Right now it looks like right along I-44. That's from St. Louis back towards southwest Missouri and along I-70 in Illinois. So that is just to the north of us. That's where we expect some of the heaviest rain with this first round to occur. However, as we get later and later into the night, more and more showers and storms are going to spread southward into parts of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. And notice some of that pink showing up here. We could see an isolated strong storm or two, mainly with some hail, some gusty winds late Thursday night, early Friday morning, in addition to heavy rain and some thunder and some lightning. That boundary kind of wobbling back and forth next couple of days, though, especially as we move into Friday, and with it stalled pretty much right over top of us, means multiple waves of heavy rain, and we'll have to track as the storm system itself gets closer to us Friday afternoon. There is a chance we could see a couple stronger storms develop. We'll break down where we think right now the biggest threat for severe storms is here in just a minute. But let's get to the rainfall. 2 to 4 inches of rain, especially into Illinois and Missouri through Friday night into early Saturday morning. Slightly less than that farther southward, but that's enough to cause some significant flooding. Here we go into the severe weather threat, expecting that level to be highest across western Kentucky, maybe creeping into far southern Illinois, a level 2 right now on a scale of 1 to 5. That is something we'll be tracking as well once we move into Friday. You don't see us put a 100% chance, but that's what it's going to be on Friday. Everybody's going to see some rain, and many of us are going to see some very heavy rain. A couple of showers will linger into early Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon we're dry. Sunday morning starting off dry. A couple more showers possible towards the end of this weekend, and then cooling back into the mid to upper 50s towards the early part of next week. Rachel, I saw your face there. I was walking over here.
I can't hide it. Every time the temps go up,
Not
we have
happy
a
about the
downpour.
rain, yeah.
I don't know, 70s is nice though, I'll take it. All right.